Biyake gima umwanchi umulige bigeta senikia Ndizi TV ni wachiragire Chinsa Ikomi chabono maragoba asengo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana maya elindengo manye na renyare ko bakagokorekana imena isiko yorogongoro wa Gusii chinga kitoroche county ya Kisii egendete kuyaligani bene ase okwene kibuna umuyiga bugotyanirwa kwaba MCA ritkoria angyo no chigokorekana asenchira eyobwekiranu korende ase county ya Meru nigo aba MCA bane batenenigwa ase batatianigwa korengana neki sababu ekistanyara ko bachigo tangekana korende ase county ya Nyamira nigo abamenyi be county yobarule birengereri byabo kubwatekana no koirani kibesa ase ababunge kiri kya CDF nabo igokwegwa marupurupu aboigo mwanchi muri karansoike elinde ngomanye asenchira iyo bwengeri terene Frida Kerubo na sinsemo chibyorokerelyo nato kubwatanera Joshua Auta enda gotobwatia sinsemo chimitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyera gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bayiga sensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyera gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyera gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke. Hingo chaka kegima umwanchi umuligerere ni gongo chakera county ya Kisii asengo kumanyibuna emerobeli yogotiania aba MCA ritkoria angyo nigo agendete kokorekana elyogoikerana boikeranu ritkoria angyo ase umuyigoyo korengana no mu county clerk bu assembly James Nyaoga nigo atebabuna aba MCA bonsi emerongo 5 na 25 nomo nigo barachigotianirwa ritkoria angyo ase boigo barachigochora omonogeri we county yo.
Samareta ngoro ku James Nyaoga omo clerk we county assembly ega emero we litogende okorane yo ko choro mu speaker mambia amane yo gotiane aba MCA bali bachorwa na bali nominated emero we yonsi yaere ega mambia gotiane ko chaka Chinsa isato cha mambia aba MCA bonse pia bali 71 alafu ntobate nominated bare 26 na ntobate elected bare 45 aba MCA na baba cha korobo chole umambi na nabuto cha kutiani gaiga na bali bakoboli obo speaker bali 13 abano na bago cha wakero chikura oyo kubuoyo monero go cha kubomo speaker agenderelie ebikao bya county assembly semya ketane gocha igo emirobeli yonse ya mambe nere itobwata
Chinga kecho boigo oyoligetie ekirogo kyobo women rep ime county ya Kisii Recho Otundo nigo agania aba MCA bari bagochigotianirwa litkoria Alamisi gochora omonogeri omoronge oyora chikobakonya ase myaka 5 erebosio.
And we wish you well. Mabinto maitenga ngwa pisho mole anali tukolina nemo chole speaker igonte teko tero kimo chole speaker kumoranche ake sabunga type ke speaker mo chora mo so chole speaker because mo atadunga this is where you are supposed to nto maitenga abande mo irisiko mwachire watavwe simo wantu ko speaker ko chito tokora ateba kwa so libatika letega babwa the freedom batari ko genda we want to say kudos to you kiagere ye minute you are starting from a good note ntagete ko whatever watagwe moto speaking ya iranale kubasukia to the next level
gotigana na yo mwanchi muri ni gongwende mase ya mogoika county ya Nyamira ase abamenye benseme yo barule ebirengerere byabo kubwatekana no kwegwa kibesa kya CDF gochya ase abajumbe nabo igogose abajumbe ngoegwa bale marupurupu yabo
ipesi kisara liye na very quite now for him na ndi inarega sia choleire amangana yoko genda nenda chikoegwa allowance nga sitting allowance whatever allowance pakacha goteba wife allowance I am against that chibese chichi allowance icho tiga chibe reallocated chikonye abane chisekta chimbali mbali cha Kenya chichandegete CDF eroba tigerwe chinya konya abana inchi buna wone nsemo ye chipara chisukuru chinyagetali na bintu binde biri bikoroka na chibese cha CDF chigokora nje nara inabwata amake
Omurai bense Dr. William Ruto nigo akageire gukwanira ebarasa y'oburendi ase obomo bw'Chinsa ime America ase boigo arachigukwanira emerobere y'amagenderero n'obuteneneri bw'amang'ana buna ogochenjia kwerire egati yayande boigo niga akageire gukwanira igoro y'obwamate obuya gati ya Kenya na boigo enseri ya America. Omunachi ebina Martha Koome nigo atebire buna ebigambiro mbichikorwa ogosira ase obukoleri bw'ekisekta kyonsi okuona ase omusangerekano bwa mayigelyo y'abaseneta ase ensemo ya Naivasha ime kaunti ya Nakuru nigo boigo abolia chinsemo kyonsi kubwaterana ase obukoleri obuya.
We are developing rich indigenous jurisprudence that has protected the spirit and the tenure of devolution, and this has also enabled the devolved institutions as established under the Constitution to function optimally. The courts have done this by adopting a purposive approach to constitutional interpretation. We all serve the same people. If we are in the executive, if we are in the judiciary, or if we are in the legislature like you are, we all render service to one Kenyan.
Ogotianigwa kwa MCA bane ase county ya Meru nigo kwanyara ko bakogotenenigwa aya nigo acha magega yogo chika koruegwa korwa ase ekegambero ekenene kya Meru ase omunachibina omonene Edward Murithi arugo chiko kuna goteba abanyara ko bagotenenigwa goika okwemurungani kwa bantu kwanyara ko bakogotegererwa elinde kweneki obwene winganeyo.
Avoidance of doubt, this order does not affect the swearing in of the elected members of the County Assembly of Meru, whose swearing in shall proceed as the Assembly is, despite this order, properly constituted by virtue of Section 7A2 of the County Governments Act.
Kile kifungu 177 kinasema expressly kwamba the county assembly will be constituted by the elected members, nominated members, including persons living disability. Kwa hivyo ni kumaanisha kwamba kama ile assembly haina walemavu, it is not fully constituted, and that is a constitutional crisis, and it has to be unrest. Unless it is unrest, then that county assembly will be operating unconstitutionally.
Na waomba vyama na hata serikali isifunge macho isione kwamba walemavu wako. Sisi ni haki tunataka, Kenya mzima tunataka haki.
Egati ya bali bale koligia kurwanirira ekirogo kyobo speaker ase county ya Wajir bana nigoba imurunganiri magega ya malieta abogotigwa isiko gose kolinwa libagelio aniga gocha magega ya malieta ane okagosoka ase kurwanirira libagelio lyobonogeri we county yo ya Wajir.
Unfortunately, I was disqualified and I was not given an opportunity to make to the election. Remember, those who were supposed to vote for us were the MCA, and it is unfortunate, having qualified, having met all the requirements in regard to the advert and also in regard to the standing orders of the House of the County Assembly of Wajir, it is unfortunate that they could not shortlist me.
Yesterday, I, together with other applicants, we were removed from the shortlist because we were told we shared the recommenders. The same members of County Assembly who signed for me have also signed for another applicant. So I'm here to express my discontent and dissatisfaction on the whole process.
Umugavana we county ya Embu Sisili Mbarire nigo akuleire abakori emirimo ase sector yobochenu abo batarachi gukora emirimo yabo ase enchira yoboikerenu nigatebire buna niga emiroberi yabe kirubene ase onde bwensi otalikorwa obokoreri obuya arachikoimokerigwa egetambokero asoko ene kibuna onyarire ko bakagoikirani onsi aliaganire ase sector yobochenu korinde niga ene kibuna chinchira chinya chabekira soko ene ki ebirengo byo bochenwa se county hiyo benyere kwa bikoimokereri wa igoro.
Tutakuja na system ya kuhakikisha tunaweza jua kama mtu ameenda kazi na wakati ile ametoka kazi. Na kwa sasa tunawaonya tafadhali endeni kazi. Kama wale wa Kigumo ambao wako wanaenda kazi walipopigiwa simu ndio wanakimbia kwenda kazi, tutachukua hatua. Hatutakubali kwamba hospitali inaweza enda siku mzima bila daktari, ama kuna dawa na mwenye kupatiana dawa hayuko. Lazima watu wafanye kazi vilivyo. Tungetaka wananchi, kuwauliza wananchi wakiona shida mahali kama vile wale wa Kigumo walitupigia kutuelezea mambo ile inaendelea, tafadhali mtuelezee ndio tuweze kufanya kazi. Pia ningetaka kuuliza ward administrators wao wanafanya spot checks kwa ward zao kuhakikisha kwamba hospitali zinaendelea kufanya kazi vile inatakikana.
Umwanche murigereria korwa sorobotiro nigo nekire omweli wa Amayia asebire biga kulendengo gusaba tobasaguska tobasakanyegera ayo na mangeno ya nyore gekoraga ensa emo asenchira yobokiranu enda gutobwatia asensemo chemitandao asensemo ya Facebook nabagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na wega asensemo ya YouTube nabagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website nabagotonyara gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke magachi kamera soko ene kibuna ebicha na boigo eliogire gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere Abigail Nyanchama tonya kwa tukubwatenere Joshua Auta asinsemo chibiorokererio na incheria ne Frida Kerubo nkukoganiria oboligereria obia.